Good evening, YouTube. Hope you've all had a good time. Sorry I've been away for a bit, but I haven't done many videos. I've been working a lot and it's not been quite the weather where I live. So I thought I'd just take the time today to do another little video. First of all, I want to say congratulations to Atlantis Biker on passing your test. Well done, mate. I'm so proud of you. And I bet you can't wait to get that big bike sorted. And I think a GS would really suit you, my man. Honestly, I know like a lot of people have said it, but they've been saying it for a reason. So I hope you find a bike that you like and a bike that you enjoy and enjoy your riding. So I thought I'd do a little video today and talk about filtering and just road courtesy, really. I mean, we've all been there, we've all been on the road and we've seen people driving like absolute loons. I was watching some bike videos and best car crashes and all these kinds of things and bad driving on YouTube. Do we see people riding or driving like an idiot, or people doing things that, you know, we think, oh god, I wouldn't do that. Which leads me on to filtering. Now, I was watching a chap do some filtering and some of the spots he was doing it on, oh, I wouldn't be doing it there. But I think that comes down to personal choice. Now for me, I'm a bit of a slow rider. I don't like to go fast. I like to do all the speed limits and just enjoy my bike, enjoy my ride. And I'm not going to put myself in any dangerous situations. Listening to a loading bay to start off with. I bet he's not loading. I bet you any money they go into the shops. But if he went another 40 foot, 50 foot there, all along here on my left hand side, you could park there for 40 minutes. Well done, mate. So that's our first one. But yeah, filtering. Where are you going to do it, where you're not going to do it? Because we're all different, we all ride differently. But the aim of the game is to get home safely. And I see some people doing it, I'm just thinking, oh my god, like, one day that's going to really bite you in the backside because someone's going to open a door, you're not going to see something come in, or someone's going to move over. And that's going to be the end of you. As I was saying, here, around this town, I wouldn't filter at all. Because they're just not used to it. And if you're not used to seeing filtering on a daily basis in your town, chances are that's when it's not looking for you and you're trying to look for them as well. And they don't care, they just want to go wherever it is they're going to go. For me, safe filtering is making sure that wherever you're looking, you can see a way out. And if you do have to filter, make sure that the people that are in front of you can also see you. Even if it was bottled up, I'm not necessarily going to filter here, in my opinion. A lot of people would, probably, but the oncoming cars down here moving so fast, and they turn into this garage so quickly, that again, here for me, even if it came to a standstill, I wouldn't feel safe filtering here, even if I could see what's coming. Can you see what I mean? Prime example right here, this guy here, just keeps coming, cutting everyone up. Again, some people might filter here, but I've got a staggered junction on my right, a giveaway on my left, there's people crossing the road coming over from work or things like that. Sometimes it might be just to stay back a little bit and stay in this view of this mirror, just so they can see I'm there. And now they've gone, I've got all the room I want, so I can make way now. But I know a lot of people might have chose that gap on the left. Now, knowing what I know about this space and how people are, you know, that could have been someone dropping off someone into the house estate on the left hand side, and I come down, they don't check the mirror before they get out of the car, open the car door, and then bang, I'm on the floor. Really not going to be the best way to spend my day. Now there might be an opportunity actually, if I go this way, to filter. There we go, first opportunity at filtering. So I'm now just slowing down a little bit, letting know my intentions, and I'm just going to come out just a little bit. And I'm not going too fast. This is just the way I like to do it. I like to make sure that if I'm going through the traffic, they can see me. And I'm not going too fast. I'm just steady. So this van here, he's seen me, he's stopped. Thank you. Give him a little wave. And because I'm moving a little bit slower, it gives them time to see me in their mirror. I'm not rushing down. I'm just making way. See, even this wagon's slightly moving over for me just a little bit. Now I'm not going to pass him just yet, because I can see just in front of me the car is a little bit hesitant to what he's doing, and I can't quite see past the apex of the road, so I also don't know what could come round there overtaking, because you get a lot of people on here overtaking on the road. So I'm not going to put myself on that outside line and put myself in danger. I'm just going to hold back just a little bit. Some people might say, well, why are you doing that? You can see, you know, you can get round. I could. But at the same time, why am I going to put myself in that danger? It's absolutely pointless. Now again, I can still see what's coming here, but that wagon for me is just a little bit too far to the right. So I'm just going to hold back just a little bit until he starts to slow a little bit more. So he can still see me in his mirror, because I'm further out. The car behind me's got plenty of room, he's staying back, he can see what my intentions might be. I can see the cars are moving over. There's obviously a breakdown on his side, so I'm just popping myself back over into position 2, making sure I'm safe. Little side check, put the indicator on, and now I'm coming up to a roundabout. I can see the roundabout, my indicator's on, I'm showing everybody what I'm doing, what I'm intending. So now, if I want to, I can slip down that right hand side when I feel it's safe. But again, you see how wide this wagon comes into my lane, just for the left hand side lane? I'm not about to put myself in that danger, because we're right in the danger zone there. See, that Land Rover there, pulling out. And he wasn't even going straight over, which is what he looked like when he hit the roundabout. He was actually going left. So there's no more opportunities to filter now. But I hope that gives you a little insight on just how I do things. I'm not saying I'm right, I'm not saying I'm wrong. And I might be progressing slowly through the traffic filter in that way. But I'm safe and I'm going to get home, which is what I want. I don't want to be lying on the floor with a wagon on top of me. So leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'd love to hear them all, because everyone does things differently. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Have a good one, guys. Take care.